How to hard reset Tecno Spark Go 3.
Step 1. Press the power button to turn off your smartphone.
Step 2. After that, press the power button and volume down button together. Release the power button when you see the Tecno logo, but keep pressing the volume down button. Step 3. Now use volume down button to select Wipe Data option and press power button to confirm it.
Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.